Hi, my name is Jesslyn, and this is a video, kind of an introduction video on square roots. I already have videos that take you about estimating square roots and things like that, but this is just, if you need to know how to do that, you can go watch that video. But this is just kind of an introduction on square roots. So square roots is the inverse operation of squaring a number. We talked about exponents in a video. If you don't know about exponents, go watch the introduction video on exponents. But squaring a number is when the exponent is to the second power. So this means 3 to the second power. That means 3 times 3 is 9. Okay? And then the square root is the inverse of that. So if we do the square root of 9, since it's the inverse of squaring a number, we're back to our original base number. So square root of 9 is 3. Or you can think to yourself, what times itself gives me that number? Or what to the second power is how we would technically say it, gives me that number. So if I want to say the square root of 25, I would say what number times itself would give me 25? Well, if you don't know that, you can just go up. 1 times 1 is 1, just go up. 2 times 2 is 2, 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 4 is 16, 5 times 5 is 25. Oh, there it is. My answer is going to be 5, because this 5 times 5 would give me 25. My answer is not 5 to the second power. My answer is just 5, because it's asking me what number times itself gives me that, or what number to the second power would give me that. Okay? But it's great to know that squaring a number and square root of a number are inverse operations, just like addition and subtraction are inverse operations, and multiplication and division are inverse operations. It might be good to memorize the square roots, especially all the way up to like maybe 15 squared, which is 225, right? 15 squared, but you can do this like square root of 64. Because knowing these in your head is really good. So the square root of 64, what number times itself gives me 64? Well, if you know your multiplication, you know that 8 times 8 gives you 64. So the square root of 64 is 8. Okay? 8 times 8 gives you 64. So square root of 64 is 8. If you have any questions, let me know.